All right, what's up, guys? Anthony here, Special Analysis. Welcome to the video. Going to be taking a look here at the SPY. This is the ETF for the S&P 500. So we've been talking about this, kind of navigating it together here on the way up, and we've really fallen into a period of consolidation here, right? Like we have not been able to advance. We had this little internal break, but we never cleared or have yet to close above this high. We've really just kind of what looks like, at least for the moment, we've kind of exhausted this uptrend. So, however long this consolidation goes on for, it is what it is. But until we make a faithful effort to get above this level, we're fairly stuck. In fact, we look pretty weak here, right? Like we keep kind of dropping back. We're going to see if we hold this little interior counter trend line. Based on today's price action, we came a little short of touching it. But if we fall through, settle below 467-ish, we probably start the process of falling back 459 into these, support levels that we have marked off here. So we're going to have to just keep an eye on it, right? Like we had this rip and rally off of the bottom of November here, the end of November. We impulse, consolidated, broke out, consolidated, corrected, broke out, consolidated, broke out again. Like we just kept navigating it this whole way up, which is wonderful. But we've now fallen into a longer period of congestion or consolidation. We were in it here for a little bit, but we held the trend this whole time. The trend here is definitely weakened. It's not to say that it can't kind of regain, but definitely not looking as strong as it was. Here's the weekly chart, and this is kind of where we're at, right? Like we're just still kind of contained here. I mean, even on just like a weekly basis, even if you tried to like just kind of pull off of this area here, all right? So here's your entrance into consolidation. We'll see. Maybe we keep going. It's very, very well possible that we keep going higher from here. But for whatever the reason is, we're kind of stuck right now, right? And keep in mind, when the market's not trending, if you're trying to trade it, unless you're proficient at intraday scalping or trading inside intraday pricing, just be aware, like you're going to probably not have the greatest amount of success. I don't know what you're trading. I trade futures intraday. You may be trading that, Forex or something else. I don't know. It's really up to you what you're trading. But, if you're not trading an identifiable trending market and you are not proficient at trading inside of price action, there's a better than not chance that you're going to probably struggle more than you're going to succeed. And I'm not saying that to be mean. I'm just simply saying that your trade plan may or may not consist of strategies that are not designed for, or that are designed for non-trending markets. And if that's the case, kind of keep that in mind. Even if you're short-term swing trading, if the big picture market isn't going anywhere, I mean, we haven't really gone anywhere from the middle of December. We're in the middle of January. We've been just kind of banging back and forth here on support and resistance. This is about a month's worth of price action, right? Like this is the 14th of December, and we're now today the 16th of January. So for an entire month, the broad market, the S&P 500, right, is just doing this. And if you're trying to trade this and you're not having a great deal of success, it's because you're not taking a minute to identify what the market's doing. You should have a full understanding of what price action is doing. If you don't, maybe you got to kind of revisit your foundational education or foundational components that you plan to put together for your trade plan. Because, I mean, guys, my trending trade plan, like when I want to enter a trade based on in a trending market, I haven't taken one trade this whole year. Now, my setups happened a few times, but just not when I was at the computer or in my window of time that I'm trading. Like I've been able to find it either later in the day or earlier in the morning or during the overnight or whatever, but I haven't been able to find it when I sit at the computer. So I've gone 2 weeks without taking my, trending market trade setup. Can I trade intraday and just trade the price action? Yeah, I can. But that's a little bit more aggressive. It doesn't have as high of a win rate. I prefer to trade with the trend, but if the market's not trending, you've got to keep that in mind, right? So food for thought. You want to learn some more about the products and services I offer that can help you navigate the market, whether it's day trading or swing trading, click the link below. I can encourage you to consume the content Reach out to me with any questions, and I'd be more than happy to speak with you.